Welcome to Aviator DB News Briefing. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2026. First, breaking news headlines. CityLink Cessna 28B crashes near Juba, investigation underway. In other news, Air Canada takes delivery of first Airbus A31XLR in Hamburg. NTSB, corroded engine parts caused fatal Naples CL604 crash. JAL tests humanoid robots for ground handling at Haneda Airport. Now for the details. CityLink Cessna 208B crashes near Juba. Juba, South Sudan. A CityLink Cessna 208B Grand Caravan crashed on a hillside near Luri, South Sudan, on Sunday, April 27, 2026. The accident site was located approximately 20 kilometers from Juba Airport. Accident details. Aircraft Cessna 208B Grand Caravan. Registration 5YNOK. Operator, CityLink. Location, hillside near Luri, approximately 20 kilometers SW of Juba. Date, Sunday, April 27, 2026. Status, aircraft destroyed at scene. Details under investigation. Investigation and reporting status. Current search results indicate only a brief incident report is available. Detailed reporting, including passenger crew breakdown, departure information, and contributing factors, typically requires 24 to 48 hours to develop and has not yet been published by aviation safety databases or South Sudanese authorities. Key information limitations. At this time, the following details are not confirmed in current search results: passenger and crew counts, casualty figures, departure airport and time. Specific environmental conditions or contributing factors, e.g. visibility. Aviation authorities are expected to lead the inquiry into the circumstances surrounding the accident. Operator background and flight history are also pending official release. Sources: Aviation Safety Network. Air Canada took delivery of its first Airbus A321XLR on April 24, 2026, in Hamburg, Germany, marking the first such delivery to a Canadian carrier. The aircraft, leased from SMBC Aviation Capital, is the first of 30 units the airline has on order, 15 leased and 15 purchased. The new aircraft features Pratt & Whitney GTF engines and a two-cabin configuration with 14 signature-class lie-flat seats and 168 economy seats. With a range of up to 4,700 nautical miles, the A321XLR offers 30% lower fuel burn per seat compared to previous generation competitors, supporting Air Canada's sustainability goals. The airline plans to deploy the aircraft on transatlantic and transcontinental North American routes, pending Transport Canada certification. Initial destinations include Berlin, Toulouse, Edinburgh, and Palma de Mallorca. Airbus called the delivery a significant milestone in Air Canada's fleet renewal strategy. Naples FLA. The National Transportation Safety Board released its final report April 24th, determining that corrosion in variable geometry components caused the fatal Bombardier Challenger 604 crash near Naples Municipal Airport. Probable cause. The NTSB concluded that corrosion in both General Electric CF34-3B engines' variable geometry system components led to their operation in an off-schedule position. This malfunction resulted in near-simultaneous sub-idle rotating compressor stalls and subsequent loss of thrust in both engines during approach. Chemical analysis indicated the corrosion elements were consistent with a marine salt or seawater environment, suggesting the aircraft had been operating in coastal areas prior to the incident. Investigation details. The fatal accident occurred February 9, 2024, involving Hoppajet Flight 823. Both pilots and one person on the ground were killed, while two passengers and a flight attendant were injured. Following the crash, the engines were shipped to General Electric for disassembly and examination. GE has since revised troubleshooting procedures for similar hung start issues and issued service bulletins to improve inspection protocols for CF34 engines in business aviation. JAL launches groundbreaking robot trial at Haneda. Japan Airlines will begin testing humanoid robots at Tokyo Haneda Airport in May 2026, partnering with GMO AI and Robotics Trading in Japan's first airport tarmac robotics experiment. The initiative addresses critical labor shortages in ground handling operations amid an aging population and rising travel demand. 3-year trial focuses on physical tasks, The trial, running through 2028, will deploy China-made bipedal robots capable of operating continuously for 2 to 3 hours. Initial tasks include pushing cargo containers, loading and unloading baggage, and operating ground equipment. JL Ground Service President Yoshiteru Suzuki said replacing physically demanding tasks will inevitably reduce workers' burden, while humans continue handling irreplaceable safety management duties. Robots designed for existing infrastructure. The project aims to eventually halve staffing requirements by using human-shaped robots that integrate with existing airport infrastructure without major modifications. A media demonstration at Haneda on April 27th showcased a robot pushing cargo containers. GMO AI and Robotics will supply hardware and programming through its Shibuya research facility to address what the company calls serious labor shortages in back-end operations. That's all we have for today. You can get the latest aviation news at aviatordb.com.